Hi, I'm Brittany Stanton from Textile Indie. Today I want to go over basket weaving tools, just the basics. So to start out with, you want a stake weight. This is a heavy weight that you put on top of your basket stakes as you're weaving to hold them in place. A pair of reed cutters or stake scissors. These are a short bladed, sharp tipped pair of scissors. A measuring tape, cloth measuring tape to measure out stakes and other parts of the basket. A handful of metal clamps. These are 2-inch metal clamps. I got these at the hardware store. They're good for holding reed in place as you're weaving and just holding things in place as you're working. A set of plastic clamps. These are then used on the rim. Once you've finished weaving your basket, you use the plastic clamps. These I use instead of the metal clamps because the space here in the center allows the rim to sit snugly in there without being dug into by the metal clamps might leave marks. So I use those for the rim. I have a box knife. This is for trimming down the rim. A pencil for marking the centers and jotting down notes and making other marks on the basket as I work. This is a straight tip packer, or I call it a flat bladed awl. The tip is flat and looks somewhat like a flathead screwdriver. This is used when you pack down the layers, the rows of basket weave, as well as when you're lashing to get in between the different layers and do your rim. I also have a 120 and a 220 grit sandpaper. Sandpaper you can use to sand down. If you're using a handle, you can sand down your handle and smooth it down. It makes the wood look really nice. And also you want a towel. This is to put on your work surface. You lay it out so that it soaks up any extra moisture. You're going to keep your reed pretty wet when you're working, so having that is really nice. I have a tub of water. This is warm water, and I put the reed in here as I'm weaving, soak everything in here well before I start using it so that it's pliable and bends well and easy to work with. Set that aside. And then lastly, I like to have a clipboard with a piece of paper and then my pencil again to take notes on and jot down sizes or measurements as I'm going. Whether I'm designing a basket as I weave or I'm building a basket and I want to take notes for a future project or what have you, having a notepad by your side is really handy. Thanks for watching. Don't miss out on any fiber arts videos that I share by subscribing below, and check out my website Textile Indie where I share more fiber arts techniques and tutorials.